Given that Google's Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro were released as recently as October 2022, we didn't expect the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro to arrive until late 2023 at the earliest. That said, we're already hearing rumors about the two upcoming devices, and we've compiled a list of the most recent rumors, as well as our expert predictions for their respective release dates, specs, and prices. Further down, you'll also find a list of features we want to see from the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro, because while the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro are two of the best phones Google has ever made, they're far from perfect. There's no news yet on when Google Pixel 8 might launch, but that's easy to guess, because Google's main numbered phones almost always landing in October of their release year. In fact, every Pixel model outside of the A line has been announced in October, except for the Pixel 5, which was revealed in September 30, 2020, but didn't ship until October. Getting more specific than that is trickier, because the dates of previous October reveal events have verified, but it's likely that the Pixel 8 will be unveiled in either early or mid-October 2023. We're not sure what the Pixel 8 will cost, but the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro both had exactly the same prices as their predecessors. So it's possible that Google will stick with that pricing structure for another year. In which case, the Pixel 8 will start at $599, while the Pixel 8 Pro will start at $899. The biggest Pixel 8 leak so far takes the form of high-quality unofficial renders showing off both the Pixel 8 itself and the Pixel 8 Pro. These show largely familiar designs, but with more rounded corners leading to smaller sizes. In the case of the Pixel 8, that's said to mean a 6.2-inch display. The Pixel 8 Pro is expected to keep the same 6.7 inches as the 7 Pro. A report from display analyst Ross Young corroborates these sizes. The dimensions are also smaller as a result. The Pixel 8 is shown with two rear camera lenses like the current model. These are presumably being wide and ultra-wide lenses, while the Pixel 8 Pro is shown with four. That's one up from last year, meaning that along with the wide, ultra-wide, and telephoto cameras, it will likely have a macro lens or a depth sensor if this leak is accurate. Beyond that, we haven't heard too much about the Google Pixel 8 just yet, but a handful of other leaks have emerged regarding both phones. For one thing, there are reports that the Tensor G3 chipset we're expecting to power the phone is already in the works, and this will once again be made by Samsung. This could be significantly more powerful than the Tensor G2 in the Pixel 7 series, because it's rumored to be built on the new 3nm process down from the 5nm for the current one. That change is likely to mean a big boost in both power and efficiency. Guys, if you like this video, go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button. And while you're at it, go ahead and hit that bell, because we are bringing you the latest and greatest in tech news almost every single day. So if you don't want to get left behind, you're going to want to hit that bell and get those notifications. All right. Thanks, guys.